Hey pinball fans, do you have a Bally or a Stern pinball machine from the late 1970s until about the mid 1980s with an MPU board in it that looks like this? If your board died from corrosion in this area, this multi-part series will show you how to fix it. Stay with me. Hey pinball fans, my name's Chris. Do you have a Bally machine from the late 70s and early 1980s that died or quit working because of the MPU board has battery damage on it? Well, that's what this video is going to show you, is how to repair the corrosion area that's been damaged on your main MPU board in that Bally pinball machine. I bought my first Bally pinball machine in 1989. It was a Bally 8-ball. And it wasn't working, and I quickly found out that it was because of the corroded components in the bottom left corner of the MPU board. The boards in the early Bally pinball machines are AS-2518-17 and also an AS-2518-35, and the components that die are right down in this area of the board in the bottom left corner, and it'll be very visible damage. This one here happens to be a pretty rare board which does not have acid damage, but you'll find it in this lower corner where the battery damage occurred. So in about 1989-1990 time frame, I figured that out, that we need those components, and I started compiling kits of those parts and selling those over the internet. I've sold hundreds of those over the years. My background is electronics. I've been in the electronics industry for over 35 years. And the method I use to repair this board is a little bit different than you might find from other people on the internet. They might use vinegar and water together to neutralize the corroded area. But I use a different method, and you'll see it in the video, where I sand down the board down to the bare copper traces, and then I re-tin those. I've got boards that I've done that still running from 25 years ago from that process. Once you complete the repair, hopefully my videos help you out in that regard. There's a repair kit available on my website, gerberdesigns.com. It's a repair kit. It's got an exploded diagram of where all the components go. And then there's also a battery remote location kit that's available on my website as well. So that will get those batteries off your MPU board, mount those away from the board so you don't have to deal with this corrosion problem again. Thanks for watching my video. Please share and like the video, and good luck on your repair project. I've broken this down into a few different videos, so we're going to start off with removing the components, and then we'll get into the sanding and cleaning that area, and then show you how to re-tin the board, how to put all the parts back on, and then troubleshoot and get it all working, and hopefully you can enjoy some time playing your pinball machine. So good luck on your project. Welcome to the Bally Pinball MPU repair video. This video explains how to repair corrosion areas along the bottom of a AS-2518-35 Bally MPU board. First of all, you may want to purchase a kit which is available from www.gerberdesigns.com. This kit includes all of the common components in the corrosion areas. If your corrosion extends beyond the common area, there are some components that may not be included in the kit that need to be replaced on your board. Tools that you will need are an ESD wristband with a coiled cord. The end of this cord should be connected to ground. Soldering equipment, solder, and resin flux. A good solder removal tool. Other tools needed are needle nose pliers, side cutters, and a screwdriver. A Dremel tool with emery discs. Let's begin by removing all of the ICs on the MPU board. Start out removing U8, then U7, carefully prying each end of the chip out of its socket.
Examine the chip for any bent pins. When you remove the ICs, place them in a safe container. Mark all of the ICs with the U number. Once you've removed all of the ICs, you are ready to begin removing components.
Thanks for watching part 1 of Getting Started. Please subscribe and like, and then watch for the next video in the series, number 2, which will be removing components.